Hi everyone, welcome back to RC Camping and Crawling. We have the Redcat Ascent 18 with the tire chains. I'll put a link in the description for how I made those. As you can see, we're up here top of the mountain again. Got a little fresh, small skiff of snow to play in, which should be fun. It's about -12 right now, but a very pretty morning. So we're gonna take the Redcat out and about. I'm gonna see how it does on these rocks, similar to the last video with between the HPI and the Traxxas. We'll see how it does on the rocks there. And we'll take it for a drive down the straight section here, crawl up to the top over there. I'll put an arrow on the screen, and then maybe go to the second peak. I'll put an arrow on the screen there too. But mostly today's video is about just driving the Redcat in the snow and having some fun. Put my gloves on, so try to get some really cool shots. And yeah, see how this thing handles in the snow with the little chains on it. This thing's a real rock crawling beast, so looking forward to seeing how it does. Made it. It took a few tries, but the Redcat made it up here in the snow. Cool. It's awesome. As usual, guys, I don't move the car when I switch camera angles, so I think this thing can make it up here, despite the snow. There you go. Let's see if we get that tire a bit. All right, so far we've gone up top there. If I hold the camera still enough, you may be able to see the tracks come down there, all the way around. You can see the tracks down there, up this little ledge here, this last little steep piece. So next little challenge is going to be the lip here. I'm going to try going down this kind of chute this way, see how that goes. Made it good. Not that I'd be surprised. This thing is an incredible rock crawler. We'll pick this guy up. I found a pretty cool line over here. What I'm thinking is we'll start there. Come along here. Get up against this ledge. Come there. Kind of ride this. And then try to make it up that cut line. I've done this in an older video, but I mean, it's snowy today, and this little guy's got chains on. So, I don't know. It might not work. It might be super cool. Who knows? Let's give it a go. Got to pay attention to the car, not the camera here. Okay, this is pretty steep. Oh, look at that. Whoa. There we go. I have to hit this just right or it's gonna tumble. Awesome. Second little challenge complete. Somehow get this thing up this steep lip. I don't know. Maybe if I just keep it just the slowest possible crawl. Oh no. Bug out. So I got there. Oh boy. Throw the arm down to rest my arm. Okay, so here we are. We made it almost all the way. Only had one kind of hand of God, as they say down there. So far this little thing is unstoppable. I think this is gonna be tricky. I'm hoping, because it's a bit of like a cut line, I should be able to kind of wedge the tires in there. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Maybe get a good angle on this. Anyway, sorry, my phone ran out of memory. I had to get rid of some older footage there. So we're gonna try to make it out this cut line. I need to kind of wedge it in there. Like this. Okay. This might be asking too much of this thing when it's so cold. And with tire chains on, which I don't think help on rocks. Just gonna keep digging. Well, it's okay, we still made it pretty far. This little thing does really well. Obviously, you know, softer tires, like the tires being softer when it's warm out, I mean, would crawl up here no problem. I've done it before, but not obviously when it's snowy. So let's find some other places to crawl here. I think we'll just go for a nice casual drive through here and up to the peak to get a couple extra shots. Almost made it to the top. The Redcat Ascent. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Had a lot of fun making this video today. Not a review or anything, just driving this little truck around in the snow. I always have a ton of fun driving the Redcat Ascent. It's a cool little truck. It's a great rock crawler. It doesn't have a lot of the scale looks, but its performance makes up for the lack of scale looks for sure. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what you see, or if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section there. Try to get to every one of them I can. Let me know what you think of the tire chains. Throw something in the comment section. If you're looking at how to build them, a link in the description to the video of how to make your own tire change, probably for like less than 10 bucks. Super cool little mod. Anyone can do it. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, and you haven't done so already, feel free to give me a subscribe. Super appreciate that. If you have already, thank you so much. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.